Hey, what's up guys? This is your friend Captain Diaz back with another facts of the companies, and this time we are going to talk about LG. Life's good. We are back with the facts after a really long time, or you can say a couple of months. So yeah, we might gonna be continuing the series. Okay, don't go anywhere. Press the bell icon. Firstly, we want to start off with the name itself. Firstly, this company's name was Gold Star. Later on, they changed it to LG Life's Good. But Gold Star might be heard in your ears also, and many appliances were also made of from the Gold Star. First founder of this company was Ko In Hui. Firstly, or you can say again, I'm telling I'm not good at pronouncing these names. He was the original, or you can say the establisher of the Gold Star. Later on, he itself changed the name to the LG itself. If you know tagline, or you can say the slogan of the company, that one of the important thing, and it represents the company itself. LG's first slogan was the future technology, and later on, currently it is life's good. And currently, you might also know LG has it for technology itself. There is a lot of things about the LG in the past. They were not in a technology company, same like Samsung. They were making stuff which is related to the chemical products and cosmetic stuff. Later on, you might know in today's gen, it is a tech giant company out there. And if you didn't know about anything regarding the Samsung, links up in the icon, make sure to check it out. Star company itself started itself in 1947 as if a chemical product innovation. So this represent it is a really old tech, or you can say a company out there in the market. You might know radios. Radios are one of the greatest means of communication in the past, and it was the Korea's first radio which was made by the Gold Star, you can say the LG itself. Currently, radios aren't great in the market, but still, it is one of the greatest innovation for LG itself for the Korea. The name was changed. LG was in 1958, and they started a journey in the Busan, South Korea. So that means it is a South Korean-based company. If you didn't know, LG is making, or you can say, was making a smartphones. And it was a very first company to implement ultra wide angle camera in the smartphone camera, which is a really great in today's time, because ultra wide is currently gen, or you can say really important in the camera portfolios. But still in today's gen, LG has been taken off from the market of the smartphone industry, which is a sad thing to hear, because the innovations are one of the greatest thing LG was doing there, but it didn't work out. 7. LG was the very first company to implement a slow motion in the camera, which is currently a common thing, or you can say you can find in a lot of smartphones, but it was one of the greatest thing in the past to record slow motion off from your camera. It was also the very first time they implemented a back healing on the phones, which is a really nice thing to heal up your backside of the smartphones. Whenever you got tiny little scratches or that or stuff, it heals up and recovers that face. It's like a new thing for to hear up, but it was really nice. It was LG GCV, or you can say LGG flags. LG company was also listed in a Guinness Book, or you can say the Genius World Records in 2017 for washing machines. They sold a lot of washing machines, and you might also have been seeing a lot of appliances, home appliances from LG itself. LG also invented a TV which can be folded up and can be rolled out. If you didn't know, it is the latest gen technology from themselves, and it is around crore INR rupees. So yeah, it's a costly thing, but it is also a space saving thing. Also, today's gen, LG is the third most recommended, or you can say the largest home appliances company, followed by a lot of different companies such as Samsung and that all stuff. But LG has made a really good success. 2002, LG made their very first color video camera and color TV. You might be thinking it's not a great thing, but yeah, it is a great thing from a company, or you can say for a consumer. It was in Korea, and later on we all came to know. Very first automated smartphone, or you can say the phone itself, was launched by the LG in Korea. It was in 1961, and it is a really great looking phone also. LG has done a tremendous job regarding a technology company, and in a lot of fields such as home appliances, benefiting in Korea, and that all different types of factories. LG has done a really great job presenting and benefiting in a smartphone company itself, but you know, LG has been taken out from the smartphones, which is kind of a sad thing, but still, it is a really great tech company. So that's all for the LG facts. Hopefully you like this video, and if you have done one, then share among your friends and family. And if you want more videos like this, then subscribe and press the bell icon and let us know in the comment section down below. If you have made out any type of facts, then also let us know. This was Captain DRS. I'll catch you in the next video. Stay safe, stay connected. Peace.